Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Today we're gonna do our new subscribe, and we're gonna make a biggest pond.
What are you doing?
So come back again to biggest pond. And I put some.
Oh. What are you cooking?
Nothing, because I'm making a big pond for the ducky. That ducky. Yeah. The duck should land on this island. The duck need to wash up. Here, Nash.
What are you cooking for mommy?
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. What else?
And what?
What else?
I'm making some duck corn. And if you want to subscribe, I'm just gonna make this first.
No, you just talking about what are you doing?
Mom, where's my sprinkler? Here it is. I just lost it in the mud. I just buried them last night. So I just forgot them at the sea.
What's that?
It's cake.
Cakes.
And I'm making a duck cake.
Duck cake.
But
Wow.
it's not finishing yet.
I never seen that before. Duck cake.
Yeah. So I make the duck cake for you in the surprise. It's a surprise for every friend to come. I'm making a big
Okay.
person heavy water.
Oh, how old are you, Meda?
4.
4, yes.
Yeah. But, yeah. There. So, we need to. I'm
Today,
making a surprise duck cake with corn.
yeah, it's very good weather and a little bit windy, right?
Yeah.
But not cold.
No.
It's a little bit hot.
Yeah. Leave it.
What's that? What bird?
I'm just gonna do.
What's
some-
that bird?
Huh?
What bird? What's
Seagull.
seagull?
Yeah. Because I like seagull, so I can chew it up. So they don't eat the duck.
We can eat them?
No.
We can eat them?
Which one?
Seagull.
No.
Why?
Because the seagull needs to stay with their mother and daddy.
Oh, they have family?
Yeah?
Like you?
Yeah?
Like other person?
Yeah?
Yeah.
They got like families out of us. We can't kill birds. Birds are kind.
Yeah, very kind, right?
Yeah. They've always been kind with us. So I need mud and strawberries. I get that water. Wow.
นี่น่าเจออะไรคะ
Shell.
ไหนมาโชว์กล้องหน่อยค่ะ
Hang on. Walk, walk, walk. I love to go walk. I'm coming to you.
ภาษาไทยเรียกอะไรคะ
Shell.
ภาษาไทย
Beautiful shell.
ภาษาไทยเรียกอะไรลูก
Yeah.
โชว์ตรงนี้ค่ะ ภาษาไทยเรียกอะไรคะ
Cockle shell.
หอยค่ะ ใช่
So I put in this water.
อืม
Not yet. Because
นี่อากาศดีก็เลยพาพี่ด้ามานะคะ เลยแต่วันนี้วันศุกร์วันธรรมดาก็จะไม่ค่อยมีคนเยอะเท่าไหร่เพราะเด็กเขาไปโรง มามิจะปิดคลิปแล้วค่ะไม่ได้ต้องพูดว่ายังไงบ้างคะ
Give me a subscribe. If you want to watch it again, that's okay. Your mom and dad says just learn Chinese. That's it, mine.
อืม
And that's okay.
โอ้พูดเยอะอะลูกจะปิดคลิปแล้วต้องพูดว่าอะไร Thank you for watching
Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Give it a subscribe.